Don't worry, we are not all having 10-minute speeches. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Let me ask you this real quick. How many of us know that we need to rebuild America? And we need unity to do that, right? Please welcome Miss Angelica Tucker.
The shaking of ground, the crash of the world falling all around me. The piercing of screams, the shouts to the skies where buildings used to be. Am I all alone? Can the world hear my cry? This doesn't look like home. We must rebuild our lives, rebuild our strength, rebuild our hearts, not just the buildings that were lost. We must rebuild our minds and rebuild our spirits, leave all the brokenness behind. We must rebuild our hope, rebuild our love, rebuild our faith, rebuild. We must rebuild for change, rebuild the things we lost, our lives rebuild. So many are gone, there must be a reason for me still being here. I'm resilient and strong, but that doesn't mean that I don't still feel fear. Oh, no, no, but I'm not alone, and the world hears our cry. Oh, and it's not just our homes. We must rebuild our lives, rebuild our strength, rebuild our hearts, not just the buildings that were lost. We must rebuild our minds and rebuild our spirits, leave all the brokenness behind. We must rebuild our hope, rebuild our love, rebuild our faith, rebuild. We must rebuild for change, rebuild the things we lost, our lives rebuild. Yeah, yeah. We've gotta build our buildings back and build them stone by stone, and we've gotta build our families up and build them home by home, and don't ever let go of each other. We've gotta stick together and show the whole world, let them know that we've got to. Hey, got to our minds and our spirits, and leave it alone, leave the brokenness behind. Oh, we've got to, America, we've got to rebuild home. Rebuild, rebuild, yes. See, everything that's gone, everything that's gone. Rebuild, stone by stone and home by home. Rebuild, yeah. We've got to rebuild. Ooh, oh, oh, rebuild. Ooh, oh, oh, yeah. Stone by stone. Oh, we've got to rebuild our home, home by home. Rebuild, rebuild stone by stone and home by home. We've got to, America, we've got to.